Hi, so let's guess a number. This is a guessing number game. How it's work? You have to, you have 3 times to guess a number from 1 to 9 because I set the game for 1 to 9, so you have to guess a number. Like if I entered 5, if it is 5 you are on, if you're not you have second chance. If you won't get the number again, you have third time you can insert the number to guess, and then you will fail. Okay, 5 is not the number from 1 to 9 in this game. It's 7. No, it's 2. Sorry, failed. Your guessing number was 1. So let's do this code. How you can do this game? Okay, once more time again. So I'm inputting a number 1. No. 4. No. 7. It's 5. Okay, one more time, then we'll move on the code. 8. No. 6. No. 4. Damn. One more time again. I'm sorry. 7. Yeah. You won. Okay, so I just got a number. Okay, let's do the code with a different name in this project. Guess a number. Let's cut up this so you won't see this code from here. Terminate. Okay, run this code. Okay, so let's guess a number. Okay, our secret number. Secret number equal. Firstly, we'll input a number from user. Okay, so then I will show you how you can set it as random. You'll understand it later. Integer input enter your secret number. Then so we can check this number for 3 times, like 3 attempts. So guess count equal 0, and maximum time guess limit equal 3. So while guess count is less than guess limit, then we'll execute the program. We'll ask the user to insert a number. Okay, so then we should use input if condition. Okay, if we will input a number that is guess. Okay, guess equal our guess number, right? So guess okay, guess equal integer input guess, right? Then we are moving to an if condition right now. Okay, so how it's working 3 times, so the loop will execute for 3 times. So where should it go? Gas count plus equal 1. Then I'll move to the if condition, I guess. If our gas is equal our secret number, you print U1. If not, then we will break the code. Like if I got the number in first attempt, so it will print U1. Okay, let me show you one thing. Run the code. Okay, so our secret number is, now I'm gonna show you the secret number. Like our secret number is 4. So our member, like anyone, we want them to guess the number, so they input 3 is not the secret number, then they input 4, so U1, but it asks again to input 4 because of why the loop will be executed for 3 times. So here we are going to use break. Break will terminate the code while we'll get the actual secret number. Let's run it again. So here is here the secret number is 8. Okay, so in first attempt we said 1, now 8 U1. It not even ask for the third time. Okay, so let's go. What happened else you won't get? Else print, sorry, you failed. You failed. Okay, so our secret number is 4. We are guessing 3, not 9, not 5. No, sorry, you failed. So now I'm going to show you how you don't even, like when you want to play with yourself with this computer, computer will take a random secret number and you'll guess the number what it is. So we are going to use this kind of an automation, import random. Okay, this is super duper interesting. Here I'm going to comment this line, we don't need it. So here, okay, keeping in there, it's not, now it's totally comment, it's not necessary, but I'm keeping this for letting. Okay, so random dot random integer, right? So you can see A and B, like our first like the limitation of our number. So you're going to take 1 to 9 instead of 0, because I probably did not get 0 any hour. So our 1 to 9, so computer will take a random number 1 to 9 and we have to say what was it. Okay, let's run the code. So we have to guess. 4 is not the number, 3 no, 8 no. So we actually don't know what was the actual number, so we have to print this when we are not able to find out the number. Print, okay, format, specify. Okay, so your secret number or your guessing game number was, okay, your secret number was what secret number. So it will print this random number over there when we failed, or if we'll be able to get it, then it's okay, we can get it. Okay, now I took 8, no 7, no 5, you failed, your secret number was 3. So this is the actual game, you can do some fun. Okay, so one more thing, print. Okay, I'm going to print it in first. So you can see the secret number, basically how it's work. So basically our computer took the secret number from here 2, but we didn't know. We insert 4, it's not 4, it's 1 now, it's 9, no. So it shows your secret number was 2, as you can see 2 over there. Again, okay, secret number is 1, so we know we're just going to input 1 and print you 1. So here is your secret number, so we don't need to show that computer take 1, because we already see that secret number is 1, so just we don't need to print this line as well. So comment. So this is the actual game you can play. Secret number 4 now, 9 now, 7 no, we failed. Secret number 2, so we can do some design here, like print asterisk and times 20. Okay, I'm sorry, 20. Okay, so you can see a line over there. Oh no, again. Okay, it should be part 30. Okay, now it's longer than print a line over there. Damn. Print guessing game. Okay, keep 20 space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Like I said, 13 14 15 is a British accent, following British accent, and 20 is American accent. Whatever. Guessing game, guessing number game, guessing number game. So game should be in a capital. What? And go again to the next line. Print asterisk times 40. Okay, 30. Let's run it again. So you can, oh no, it should be 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Run it. So yeah, guessing game number, guess a number, it's 4. Damn, what's wrong? Check most 5 times 12. What's wrong in this line? Oh, I got it. I didn't input the number. Okay, now 4. Oh my gosh! So I passed. You won. You can see. Let's run it again. Take a number 7. No. 1 2. No. 1. Oh my gosh. One small time, then I will terminate the record for this time. 7. No. 4. No. It's 3. Okay, it's 2. Damn. This is the last time. I promise I will take a game. It's 8. No. 4. No, 5. Damn shit. It's 3. It's probably 3. Damn, I was about to insert 4. So this is the actual thing you can do. So if you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe my channel, and do this code on your Python programming. Happy programming. Bye bye.